So it's time for part 2 here. We're going to see what the touchless cycle is like. There's a guy taking a smoke break. So I'm assuming, Jason, you know what to do.
You give it money.
Oh, that's cool. It actually tells you how much time is left for the car in front of you. Jason, I'll just give you a card to use.
Oh, and medical locks.
I don't know if that's accurate. Oh, maybe that is spot free, actually. It probably is accurate. Because we see 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I love the little car honk.
Can't wait till they all start. I just love the sounds of those motors starting. If you started them all at once, you would just
destroy the power grid here.
Yep. And
it did a bad job. But we'll do a better job.
All right.
So you're going to want to pick the $13 this time.
So we're going to hit this one?
Yep. And then it should give you the option.
Protect your vehicle with Ultra Shine, $2.
Yeah,
no.
Please select.
Now look at that. Safe touch or touch free. Go ahead and hit the touch free. All right. And then you should be good to insert the card right there on the front.
Please wait while your transaction is being processed. Thank you. Please pull forward slowly into the wash.
Go slow for the undercarriage.
I'm sure this thing needs it. It is interesting this thing has, it has an old-fashioned floor treadle on it though, with all this technology.
Put the accessory on so it charges. There you go.
Mark 7 cannot even design a touchless without about 50 moving parts.
It did pretty good, except I still see some dirt on my outside window.
Let's take a look. We can
Well,
park it over
move
here.
your hand, Andrew. Let me see if we got the. Move your hand. Oh, I did get the. No, there's a little bit of bird poo still in the back. It looks like.
Let's look at both cars once we park, and we'll evaluate the performance of this car wash.
I definitely think the soft touch cycle is better.
Mm-hmm. Because
That was really cool, though.
Yeah, that's cool that you can pick between the two.
Let's evaluate both cars.
Yeah, it's not too good that it didn't even get bird poop off the window. You also left, we got some soap back here.
For a $13 wash, that kind of sucks.
Yeah, it didn't do a very good job.
But compared to this car, even here, look, you got some.
That's pretty well on there, but touch-free cycle,
I think the soft touch did be better.
definitely.
This car is a lot cleaner than that car.
I've still got a lot of dead bugs, but it was covered when I started. All car washes, really you should always pre-treat bugs like this. There's not a system on earth that can get them off. At least I haven't found it yet. Anyway guys, I really hope you enjoyed this comparison on a very cool Mark 7 system. And Andrew, what do you say?
I have to say that the touch version did a lot better than the touch free. There's still bird crap on my car.
Yeah. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed.